safely removes interior trims without damage, preventing scratches and ensuring easy vehicle disassembly and repair. My today's video is about top 5 best trim removal tool that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Burmong Trim Removal Tool. This trim removal tool is a practical and reliable solution for safely removing automotive clips, fasteners, and plastic rivets without causing damage. Its ultra-thin 1 to 2 mm angled jaws easily slide into tight spaces, allowing quick removal of deep or hidden clips from interior panels, bumpers, and other car parts. This helps prevent scratches or paint damage, making it ideal for professional and DIY vehicle work. The spring-loaded design provides strong leverage, enabling effortless one-handed operation and reducing hand fatigue during repeated use. Built from heavy-duty stainless steel, it offers excellent strength and durability, ensuring long-term performance without bending or breaking like cheaper plastic tools. The ergonomic, non-slip PVC handle adds comfort and control, even in slippery conditions. Suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs, it works well for interior trims, fenders, and engine bay components. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this tool is a dependable choice that saves time, effort, and repair costs. Now our second product is Abrithm Trim Removal Tool. This professional car clip pliers tool is a must-have for anyone working on vehicle maintenance or interior/exterior repairs. It is specially designed for removing plastic fasteners, clips, and rivets from engine compartments, bumpers, fenders, chassis, and other car surfaces, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicle brands. The built-in spring and leverage design make clip removal quick and effortless, allowing smooth alignment and easy one-hand operation even on stubborn fasteners. Its inclined jaw structure provides excellent access to tight and angled spaces while ensuring even pressure on clips, helping prevent damage such as broken fasteners, scratched panels, or cracked trim. Made from heavy-duty 17 to 4 pH stainless steel using forging technology, this tool offers outstanding strength, durability, and corrosion resistance compared to standard pliers. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm, comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Overall, it is a reliable, efficient, and durable tool for professional quality results. Our third product is GearWrench Trim Removal Tool. This panel clip removal tool is a simple yet highly effective accessory for automotive maintenance and repair work. The added support design allows clips to be removed safely without damaging or breaking them, making it ideal for interior panels, trims, and other delicate components. It helps reduce the risk of scratches or deformation, ensuring a clean and professional finish during disassembly. The double cushion grip handle provides excellent comfort and control, even during extended use. It reduces hand fatigue and offers a secure, non-slip grip, allowing for better precision when working in tight or awkward spaces. This makes the tool suitable for both professionals and DIY users who want reliable performance without unnecessary effort. Overall, this clip removal tool combines safety, comfort, and practicality in a compact design. It is a useful addition to any toolbox, helping make automotive trim removal easier, faster, and damage-free while improving efficiency and control. Now number 4, Youbison Trim Removal Tool. This professional car clip pliers tool is a highly versatile and reliable solution for removing plastic fasteners, push pins, rivets, and door panel clips. It is suitable for both interior and exterior automotive work, including dashboards, bumpers, fenders, and trim panels, making it an essential tool for repair and maintenance tasks. The spring-loaded mechanism allows smooth one-handed operation, improving efficiency while reducing hand fatigue during long working sessions. Its ergonomic non-slip handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring better control and precision even in tight spaces. The 4-point support design helps distribute pressure evenly during clip removal, preventing damage such as broken fasteners, scratched panels, or cracked trim pieces. Built from heavy-duty 17 to 4 pH stainless steel with precision casting, it offers excellent durability, rust resistance, and long-term performance for both professional and DIY use. Overall, it is a must-have tool for safe, efficient, and damage-free automotive clip removal. And our last choice is Tresalto Trim Removal Tool. This non-scratch auto trim removal toolkit is a practical and essential set for anyone working on vehicle interior or exterior panels. Made from durable nylon, each tool is designed to provide strong leverage while protecting surfaces from scratches, dents, or paint damage during disassembly. It makes removing dashboards, door panels, trims, and plastic clips quick and efficient, whether for cars, SUVs, or other vehicles. The tools are both flexible and sturdy, allowing easy access to tight corners and awkward angles without breaking or damaging fragile components. The variety of shapes in the set makes it suitable for removing rivets, fasteners, and clips safely without metal-to-metal contact, reducing the risk of damage. Lightweight and compact, the kit is easy to store in a glove box or toolbox for quick access whenever needed. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly solution for safe, clean, and professional quality trim removal work. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.